Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Erling Haaland. So let's get started. To draw this very cool soccer player, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And I'm going to aim to not make them too big, so just on the smaller side. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another one, another circle. There. So my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now my eye's in right here. I'm going to go to the top of each eye, and let's say about right here I'm going to start, and I'm going to draw a curve over it. So let's say about right here. I'm going to lightly draw a curve hitting his eye, and then we're going to come over and down there. Because you don't really see his eyebrows because they're so light in color, so we just want to kind of draw this curve over his eye, just to try to capture his look. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but right here, same thing, hit the eye, and then the top, and then we're going to go over the eye and down. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead in between the eyes about right here. I'm going to draw lightly his nose. So right here, I'm just going to draw two curves and just connect it with another curve. Then, very important, we need to give him this cute smile that he has, right? So I'm going to come underneath this nose and say about right here, I'm going to draw a big smile. Big curve, say about that wide, and then I'll cap it off. And then at the bottom we need to draw another line very lightly underneath for his lips, and then at the top as well, another layer at the top lightly. Draw another curve. There. So it's because it's the Sharpie, so it's kind of dark, but hopefully this helps you just to be able to capture his lips. There. Okay, so hopefully it's starting to look like him. And now let's draw his face. So I'm going to come to, say, this point right here, come out about right here. Same thing here. Get a little bit of space. And then we're going to start to angle down. And we're going to draw his very strong face. So let's come here and here. We're going to angle. And we're going to give him some big jaws. So let's say about right here. We're going to bring it in. And a big chin as well. So we're going to bring this down to about right here. And then kind of where his neck would be, I'm going to straighten it out. And connect. There. So then we're going to come up. We're going to bring this up. Just come up and kind of straighten out a little bit. Same thing here. And then we're going to draw his hairline. So let's say about right there, I'm going to go ahead. And this one's going to go up. About right here. And I'm going to bring it down to the center. So let's say about right here. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Up and come back down. And then let's come back to around where his eyes are. I'm going to pop in his ears. So let's draw a curve about right there. Put in some details. Same thing on the other side. There. And then, let's see here. Let's come here and draw his hair. So it's very tapered. Right next to his face right here. And then we're just going to go up and go around. So say about here, and then bring it back down to the other side. Kind of slant a little bit and then connect. Ah, there. Okay, so then very importantly, let's come here. We're going to continue this curve. We're just going to lightly bring it down to just give his hair some detail. And then here as well, let's just put in some lines. Just so we know that this is hair. Just helps to sell it a little bit better. There. Okay, and then we'll draw the rest of his hair a little bit later. Let's draw his body. So I'm going to come right here and give him a very strong neck right at his chin. And then bring this down. And then let's curve this out for his shoulders. About right there. Kind of sloping them down a little bit because he is a little bit hunched, right? So then let's see here. Let's come down. And I'll just use this as my guide and let's just skip a little bit of space. But you know what? Let's just do this. Let's just make it easier. Let's come down, connect this part. Same thing here. And let's just go all the way down for his jersey shirt. Let's see here. Let's give him shirt line, so then about there. Let's come back and I'll just end it about here then. Right there, because he is really tall, so let's connect it right there for his shirt. And since we're down here, let's find the center area about right here. And I'll add in this little line and we're going to come down on both sides to draw his shorts. So let's bring this down. Come down on this side. And let's see here. Let's say come to about right there. And let's go ahead and connect it. There. Okay, and then let's give it detail right here in the center. And then of course his legs. So I'm going to come right here and here. So let's go ahead and just work on this side. I'm going to come down at a slight angle. Same thing here. And about right there, I'm just going to stop, then come out for his shoe. So nice and simple, and then just connect it with a curve. So same thing on this side. And here as well, so same thickness. And once again, curve it out. And connect. Then for some details, let's come right about here and here, and then cut it off here as well, and then another curve right here. So same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, oh, before I forget, let's just put in the details here since we're down here I'll just put in a little patch here for some color, and then of course the number 9 down here. Just draw 9, and then let's draw his sleeves. So we're going to bring this down. Let's say about right there and bring it in. So same thing on this side. The only difference is about right there I'll stop and then put in the band because he is the captain. And I'll end it about the same area right there. And then of course the arms, so let's have them come, his hands come to about this area. So I'll just get a slight curve right there for some muscles, and then let's just kind of angle his hands down to about right here for his thumb and his fingers there. So same thing over here, some muscles, and I'll just drag the oops drag this across about right here. And then same thing, just come down and finger, thumb, and thicken it up. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can finally come back and draw his hair before I forget. So I'm going to come about right here and just maybe draw one curve and then another one right here, just for some indication that he has long hair that's tied up. And then of course let's draw the jersey, the uniform. So let's see about right here, I'll put in a patch first. And then we need to draw the cross, right? So I'm going to start about right here, come down here, and then we're going to go across to create our cross all the way across. Then thicken it up and bring it down. There. And then we need to bring this across over to the arms as well. And same thing here. And then we need to put in this white edging. So just whatever you drew, just put in this outside line. So same thing here. There. And then of course in this area there's this emblem, so we're going to come right here and then angle it in, angle in, and I'll erase that a little bit later, but in this space we need to draw another cross without having to go into too many details. And of course there's a Nike swoosh here, but I'm just going to put a heart right here. I'll sneak a heart right here to make this my just so cute Haaland. And then of course last thing we need to do is draw this big number 9 right here. There. And I believe that is pretty much it for this drawing of the Norway super soccer player. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.